Alright, what's up? We're going to be doing a Sticks and Stones video.
Yep.
No link or description will be to the one in the chamber one that we just did. And, this is Sticks and Stones.
Eventually we'll have all the links in the description and we'll probably label them.
If they're lucky.
If they're lucky.
Double down. Burrito down.
Burrito down. Oh, we gotta do it again, see? I don't know.
Summit.
Submit.
Summit.
Submit what?
I don't know. What do you want to submit yourself to? Have you ever wanted a pony?
No, but I wanted a taco.
That works. That works.
Good.
Anyway, let's go. Tomahawk. Tomahawk the entire game.
Oh, fuck, we're playing Sticks and Stones.
Tomahawk the entire game.
Fine. No, I'm not gonna tomahawk the entire game. That's gay.
It's awesome.
I mean, it's awesome, but it's just bullshit for the other players.
Sticks and
That's why I'm
Stones.
gonna do it.
I killed myself. I was turning up the volume.
Bankrupt.
Oh, yes. Oh, you bastard. Oh, fucking lag.
Humiliation.
I was just trying to throw smoke.
Really? People left their game again.
They're afraid about awesome.
Got a man down! Target down!
Who's in the lead? I want to humiliate.
I got a man down over here!
Oh, I'm not in the lead. Oh, lead person gets humiliated, right?
Oh,
Bankrupt.
That wasn't even me.
now we have to deal with this guy's guest.
Bankrupt.
No, I'm not going to be out of the money. I'm just looking for people. Not gonna do it.
Out of
I
the
only
money.
have one knife point. You're sad, man. You shouldn't knife him.
I did it.
I knifed him too. That's bullshit. He's hacking. He's hacking. And that's always my favorite one. Something's bullshit. They're hacking. Hackers are everywhere. Like us.
Oh, we gotta do some videos.
If they're lucky.
If they're lucky.
Reloading!
That's bullshit. I so good for 19 with the bullets.
Change that!
Register. Thank you, Treyarch.
You're welcome. That's what they would say. Alright. Got you, kid.
At least Infinity will work. You know what's true.
Huh?
Do you play Modern Warfare 2?
No.
Dude, you should play Modern Warfare 2.
First blood, bitch. I don't have it.
Humiliation.
Over here!
When you get a chance, you should try to find it.
What is this? What is this lag?
I don't know what to do.
That's trippy, man. What is this lag?
Target neutral!
I don't know what to do. Oh, there we go. There we go. Why are you pressing buttons? It's not like it.
Out of the
Get
money.
yourself out of the money.
Not my fault.
that knife didn't even connect. I'm going in. I'm on your side. That one. That knife did not connect.
In the money.
At least in Modern Warfare 2, there was a reason stuff like that.
Fucking lag.
You know, they're probably not going to see the lag. Probably just something else.
How you trying to ballistic knife me?
Oh my god. Commando knife.
Yes.
Got a man down!
Oh, I thought I got big round. Thank you.
Out of the money.
Still in first place. It's all good.
For now.
That little tomahawk. See?
Bankrupt.
I didn't even how many points, you dumbass.
Bankrupt.
Oh shit.
One of them.
Yes. I ruined the game. Make a good argument, don't it? Oh, what the hell? It lagged on me.
Bankrupt.
At least winning the money was 0 points. Hey, don't get a kill. Don't get a kill. We're still doing the money. Unless you count on it. Now be the money anyway. Oh, it's us. Don't get
Come on, dude.
I'm out.
Some on someone else.
Come on, hurry, hurry. That's it. That's it.
Last second bullshit.
Hendrix. Those damn Hendrix.
Yeah, we got 6 credits. Yeah.
We just fist bumped.
Yeah. Yeah, right there I lagged. Don't know really what happened. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I guess I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to check out our other channels. We'll probably put that on the profile at the channel or in the description if you're lucky. So check that out, and we'll see you later.